Okay, I want to try to do this. So that left is the strainer. This is a 222 SE Jetboat Yamaha. I removed it. 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes out. It's got a gasket. This is how it looks like. Apparently this gets dirty. It was not dirty in my scenario. It's a pretty small area. That's the gasket. Probably clean that before I put it back in. And it looked like it had Loctite red. Or something, at least it was red. I don't know if this is keyed. If you look at it, kind of looks the same to me. But there is a stamping, see, there. And I'm just gonna follow what's on the other side.